And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and if they intend to deceive you, then Allah is sufficient for you. Surah Anfal verse 62. Hazrat Auf bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, I visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the occasion of the Battle of Tabuk, while he was sitting in a leather tent. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, count 6 things, signs, before the approach of the hour. My demise, the conquest of Jerusalem, then epidemic will afflict you as it afflicts goats. Increase of wealth to such an extent that even if someone is given 100 dinars, he will not be pleased. Affliction will enter each house of the Arabs. There will be a peace accord between you and the Romans, but the breaking the truce will come to fight with you, while their army will have 8 standards, and under each standard there will be 12,000 soldiers. Total soldiers will be 960,000 soldiers. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3176.